Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm a little prepped up for today's video. Like today's Independence Day, and I was thinking to do a little bit of eye focus makeup look on Independence Day. So let's start. I'm going to start with the primer as usual, as I've already prepped my skin. So I'm going to apply it a little bit all over the face and then blend it with my finger. So yeah, next step is the foundation. Today I'm going to use this Unicorn Beauty Blender. It also had a little bit of sparkles in it, as you can see. I'm so excited. Let's see how this beauty blender will work. Okay, so dabbing it like as usual all over the face. I found this pretty good. Yes, it's nice. And then I'm going to highlight the under the eye, the forehead, the bridge of the nose, like the usual stuff that I do most of the time. Well, today I'm going to do like more covered stuff. So yes, applying lots of products. And then I'm going to contour my face using this stripling brush. As you can see, I'm contouring a little bit more because this look that I thought like it's a little bit more intense, like full coverage, focus on the eyes. Blending it all over. I'm using this blush. It's more of a peach shade. Blending right into the contour and moving forward with the eyebrows. Filling the entire brows with the brow powder that I use every day. And extending a little bit further, but just following my natural shape. And then I'm using this lighter tone of eyeshadow as a base. And I'm going to blend that right onto my lid. I'm also taking a little bit of darker shade and just intensifying the color there. And now the orange shade on the tree color. I'm going to apply this on the outer corner of the eyes and blend it right into. For this, I like to use the smaller brush for the more precision or exact where I want the products to be. And then I'll blend it with the little blending brush, the little fluffy brush. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of this champagne color because I can't find the white day, so I'm just using this. And then just applying on the inner corner of the eye. I'm using stick like pencil, kajal pencil in black, and applying all over the lower lash line, making it a little bit thicker than usual, because anyways I'm going to blend this with the green eyeshadow. Also going to tightline the eyes, because that makes a whole lot of difference. Taking the green color, yes, and blending it right with the black, just intensifying the color. Some glow tie now, the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose. I like to use a little smaller brush while I'm doing the highlight on the nose instead of that bigger fan brush. Applying this brown shade of lip pencil all over the lips, and not only outlining it, I'm also going to fill it all over. And now I'm going to take a liquid lip color and apply on top of it, covering the entire lip pencil. I love the shade. Applying a little bit of liquid liner. I don't want to wing it out this time. I'm just keeping very the liner look very basic. Going to apply my lashes. Whenever you're applying the lashes, just take your time, just take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Make sure that it's there, it's fixed well. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.